Most catamarans in this class ask you to choose between volume and speed. The Sunreef 80 Power Next does not make you choose. This is the flagship of the Sunreef Next generation, built by Sunreef Yachts in Gdansk, Poland. Composite construction, naval architecture, and design entirely in-house. 78 feet overall on a 12-meter beam. A hull volume built for a full-beam super yacht interior. Two versions, classic diesel from 1600 horsepower up to 2400 horsepower combined, or Eco, Sunreef's electric and hybrid platform. Fuel capacity scales from 2 tanks of 5,000 liters to 2 tanks of 8,000 liters depending on configuration. Full performance data is available at yachtspecsdirect.com. 78 feet overall, 39 feet 4 inches of beam, 5 feet 6 inches of draft, composite construction throughout, 366 square meters of usable living space across the platform. The next generation redesign starts at the stern. Fold-out platforms and a hydraulic swim platform turn the aft cockpit into a private walk-around beach. The flybridge goes flush, a sleeker profile with flexible space for freestanding furniture instead of fixed built-ins. On the Eco version, Solar Skin 3.0 and next-generation lightweight batteries deliver silent, vibration-free cruising. The garage still carries a jet ski and water toys. The master suite is reimagined with an expanded footprint, large enough now for a full bathtub. Massive hull volumes throughout mean nearly limitless configuration, from opulent guest suites to dedicated crew zones. Bottom line, this is a catamaran built for owners who want super yacht living space without stepping up to a super yacht length. For full specifications, configurations, and availability on the 80 Sunreef Power Next, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.